What is global secure access in Copilot Studio? And also, what are the benefits of utilizing global secure access? Now, global secure access is one level advancement in the security side while building an agent. Now, once you build an agent, the agent communicates with an end user. Now, the end users can log in from any location, any place, anywhere. Now, your data passes through multiple networks, multiple channels. Now, as the proliferation of the agent increases, there is a need to get a greater control over the information being passed to various services. Now, admin notices the reduction in visibility and control as more and more autonomous agents and interactive agents proliferate. Now, different ways to handle interactive agents and autonomous agent. Autonomous agent automatically works on a specific trigger. Interactive agent interacts on basis of the prompt. Now, GSA or Global Secure Access for Agents helps you regulate agents which uses tools, knowledge, and actions to access the resources. Now, the resources can be a knowledge source, it can be an external service, it can be an MCP server, it can be any connections, or it can be any file systems which agent requires or retrieves information from. Now, what is the benefit of using global secure access? Now, the benefit of using global secure access is you get web content filtering, threat intelligence filtering, network file filtering. Now, web content filtering is all about controlling access to the web content, like basically tracking the URL. Threat intelligence filtering is about blocking access to known malicious sites or services, or maybe a set of table which lists down the malicious site for a specific period of time. So Microsoft services get access to that piece of information, and then the threat intelligence filtering will filter your information through that services and will check if those services are interfering with your day-to-day operations while accessing the agent or not. Network file filtering controls the file upload and download process. Now, this is how a basic schematic diagram looks like from a Microsoft Copilot Studio perspective. Now, Microsoft Copilot Studio interacting with different Microsoft services, SaaS internet based services, plus knowledge sources. So, what happens in between? We have a layer. So, we have a secure web and AI gateway, which provides various features, set, or services. As of now, it provides web content and URL filtering, threat intelligence filtering, and network file filtering. Now, remember, global secure access is not specifically to Copilot Studio, but then it is for a wider range of services. So, if you go to Entra admin, you will see global secure access for your other services. Now, global secure access has been introduced in Microsoft Copilot Studio to protect the infrastructure or the services layer within Copilot Studio. Now, this is a global secure access for Entra. So, Microsoft 365 services, internet based applications like internet services, software as a services from different vendors, your own private data centers or headquarters, infrastructure as a services from Azure Cloud, AWS Cloud, Google Cloud. So it passes through a layer. So there are two aspects to this. One is Microsoft Entra Internet Access and Microsoft Entra Private Access. What do you access? You access various services like the identity services for authentication, authorization, endpoints for accessing a web-based services to serve a specific purpose, and remote networks. So it works on the concept of basically three things: verify explicitly, use the least privilege, and assume breach. So global secure access for Copilot Studio agent. So how does that process entire process works? Is the Copilot Studio agent forwards any traffic from the agent to the GSA's distributed proxy services. Now remember, this does not happen automatically. You need to enable some services, but once you enable that services for a specific environment, Copilot Studio agent will forward the traffic from the agent to this distributed proxy services. Within that distributed proxy services, it undergoes various URL filtering, content filtering, threat intelligence filtering, and then a decision is made whether to pass on the information further based on the success rate, or because of the failure that information might be blocked. Now, when request is made to external resources, GSA evaluates request in real time against security policies. If request complies GSA, it allows request. If request violates GSA, it denies request. Now, GSA can be configured in the Power Platform Admin Center, as I mentioned to you. You can configure it per environment. So, if you want one environment to have GSA enabled and one environment not, you can do that. So, ideally, the production environment should have GSA enabled if you are dealing with very sensitive information from the customer. So, per environment, or you can create an environment group basis, and then you can group multiple environment, and then you can enable the GSA. Agent traffic that can be forwarded. So, what kind of agent traffic that can be forwarded are the traffic from HTTP nodes, tools generated connectors, custom MCP server connector. Now, all these items which are listed over here is like can access any of the information. So, HTTP nodes, anything you create using tools, if you use a custom connectors or a custom MCP server connectors, that is all not controlled, so you may need to protect that piece of service or information. So see, GSA will help you achieve that. User level controls can be applied to the agent as well. Now, global secure access, you need a global secure access administrator role to manage GSA feature. Power Platform admin role to manage Copilot Studio environment. So you need to have both sort of roles, so that one is at a GSA level and one is at a Power Platform level. So Power Platform level will manage all the Copilot Studio environment related features, and GSA will help you administer the GSA related service to manage various GSA features. Now, after enabling GSA for agents, you need to create or update existing or custom connectors to route them through GSA. So you need to actually route, actually configure in enabling those GSA agents to route through the global secure access channel. Now, how do you do that? Like, go to Power Platform Admin Center, navigate to Security, Identity, and Access, and then from there, here you will see Global Secure Access for Agent, and then you can turn on and off. And this is, I've just kept it for for showing the custom connector configuration. Within custom connector configuration, under definition, you will see something called as a route request as a part of the template. All right, so documentation. So if you want to know more about global secure access, this is in general, this is not specifically to Copilot Studio, but this is for the Microsoft Entra. So you can have a read through this documentation. So it gives you a nice information, a pictorial representation of all the services and how those services are accessed. So it says Microsoft Entra Internet Access and private access comprise Microsoft Security Service Edge solution. Global Secure Access is a unifying term used for both Entra Internet Access and Entra Private Access. Global Secure Access is a unified location in the Entra Admin Center. It is built upon the core principles of zero trust to use least privilege, verify explicitly, and assume the breach. And then you can read through the service edge solution, in intra internet access, and what are the different features. So there are more features compared to what is provided within Copilot Studio. So there was some feature we saw in Copilot Studio GSA, like enabling web content filtering. Now here we have acquire network traffic by using the user aware internet traffic forwarding profile, either from desktop client or from a remote network. Detailed network traffic log for internet traffic. Use rich context awareness for user device location risk and compliance policy while applying the network security policies through conditional access. And you can read through other information for Entra Internet Access for Microsoft Service. So you'll see all those similar kind of services listed. Uh, Configure global secure access, so the web and AI gateway for specifically for agents. So I've shown you this diagram. Now remember, this is a preview feature. It is not meant for production use as of now, Feb 2026. However, this will be, once this is made GA, you can use it in your production agents. and how it works. So it is the documentation is pretty much clear. It mentions about the prerequisite like the global secure access administrator rule, power platform admin rule for managing the Copilot Studio environment, and how to enable in the power platform admin center. There are some limitations. So if you see some of the limitation listed over here, it says the currently the agent name returned in the global secure access traffic log is agent's schema name instead of the agent name. Currently, the block experience for Copilot Studio agents blocked by GSA shows as 502 bad gateway or 403 forbidden. Currently, only the baseline profile is supported for enforcement, so network security policies are per tenant. Copilot Studio Bing search network transactions aren't supported, so including knowledge from public website and Wikipedia. Network requests to Dataverse and Azure SQL knowledge sources aren't supported as of now. Connectors other than those listed in the supported connectors are not supported and may not function reliably. So you can have a look into the supported connectors. Network requests to LLM either for orchestration or result enhancements aren't supported. So there is quite a bit of limitation, but then it is always better to enable the services if you have that licensing mechanism within your organization. And you can also look into configure secure web AI for Copilot Studio agents documentation. Now here, as I mentioned to you in Power Platform Admin Center, you can navigate to security, and then from here, identity and access, and then from here, global secure access for agents to enable or disable the services. So what it does is basically it protects the traffic of Copilot Studio agents by forwarding it through GSA. You select a specific environment. Now, this is not available at an environment group level, but at an environment level, you click on setup and then you turn this on. So once you turn this on and then click on save, global secure access for agent will be enabled. So how do you get that? So Microsoft Entra plans and pricing. So Microsoft Entra ID and Entra Suite. So you get different variants: Microsoft Entra ID P1, P2, and Entra Suite. Now here you get to see all the features of Entra ID, Entra ID protection, Entra ID governance, Entra verified ID. But if you see over here, Microsoft Entra internet access or private access, you navigate to this feature set, and here you will see some feature set which we talked about: traffic logging and policy monitoring, web category filtering, network file filtering, threat intelligence filtering. Now, if you see, most of these features are available as a part of the suite. So even if you have P1 and P2, some of the feature may not be sufficient. So you need to have an Entra Suite license to enable all the network access, identity protection, governance, and identity verification solutions. If you navigate to Entra Microsoft.com. Here you get to see a screen here in the section enrich Microsoft 365 logs management. So you can search here global secure access, and then from here you can see Microsoft Entra internet access and Microsoft Entra private access are unified under GSA. And in order to try this out, you can just click on try for free, and then you can turn on that services. So that's it, folks. This is all about Microsoft Global Secure Access. So basically, Copilot Studio Agent forwards the traffic from the agents to GSS distributed proxy services to perform various operations, as I mentioned to you within my slide deck. So basically, three things you get out of it: web content filtering, threat intelligence filtering, and network file filtering, basically, which will help you ensure that your information is secure and it is passed on to the right channel or services. Thanks for watching.